Ever felt like you deserve a better salary, but just didn't know how to ask for it? You're not alone. Negotiating your salary can be a daunting task, but it's a crucial step in maximizing your earning potential. This friendly guide is here to arm you with tactics and confidence to negotiate a higher pay. Whether you're prepping for a job offer or aiming for a raise, these tips will help pave the way for a successful negotiation. Let's unlock the secrets to getting the pay you deserve. Understanding your worth. Before diving into any negotiation, it's vital to know your value. Understanding your worth in the job market is the foundation of a successful salary negotiation. Start by researching industry standards and salary ranges for your role and experience level. Use resources like Glassdoor, LinkedIn Salary, or industry-specific salary surveys to get an accurate picture. Remember, knowledge is power. Being informed about what others in your field are earning not only boosts your confidence, but also arms you with solid data to back up your request. Acknowledge your unique skills, experiences, and contributions to the company. These are key factors that set you apart and justify your desired salary. Timing your discussion right. Timing is everything. Choosing the right moment to bring up salary can significantly impact the outcome. Aim for a period when your value to the company is most visible, like after successfully completing a major project or during a performance review. Also, consider the company's financial cycle. It's better to negotiate when the business is doing well. If the company has just landed a big client or announced positive earnings, it might be the perfect time. Timing your discussion wisely shows that you're not just thinking about yourself, but also about the company's situation, which can work in your favor. Preparing your case. Preparation is key to a successful negotiation. Before you sit down with your employer, prepare a solid case. Gather evidence of your achievements, contributions, and any additional responsibilities you've taken on. If you've exceeded targets or received commendations, bring these up. Document your successes and be ready to present them in a concise, compelling way. Also, understand the specifics of what you're asking for. Do your homework on the standard pay for your role and experience. This preparation not only shows your dedication, but also makes it hard for your employer to ignore your request. A well-prepared case is your best ally in negotiating the salary you deserve. Starting the conversation. Initiating the salary negotiation conversation can be nerve-wracking, but it's all about approach. Start by requesting a formal meeting with your manager to discuss your career growth and compensation. Be professional and direct in your approach. A good start could be, I'd like to discuss my role and the value I bring to the team, along with my compensation. This shows that you're serious and have given this thought. Remember, the way you start this conversation sets the tone for the entire negotiation, so keep it positive and assertive. Your confidence in initiating the dialogue is the first step towards achieving the salary you aim for. Articulating your value. Communicating your value effectively is crucial in salary negotiations. It's not just about your skills and experiences, but how they benefit the company. Highlight specific instances where you've added value. Maybe you brought in new clients, streamlined a process, or led a successful project. Be clear and concise in explaining how your contributions have positively impacted the bottom line. Use numbers and statistics if possible. They speak louder than words. Remember, it's not boasting if it's true. Your goal is to paint a picture of yourself as an invaluable asset to the team, someone who deserves not just recognition, but also financial reward. Understanding the employer's perspective. Put yourself in your employer's shoes. They want to retain talent, but also have budget constraints and company policies to consider. Understanding their perspective can help you navigate the negotiation more effectively. During your discussion, listen carefully to their concerns and be ready to address them. If the budget is tight, maybe you can negotiate for non-monetary benefits. Show that you're open to finding a mutually beneficial solution. Demonstrating empathy towards your employer's position and being flexible can sometimes open doors that a straightforward monetary request might not. Negotiation do's and don'ts. In any negotiation, there are certain do's and don'ts to keep in mind. Do remain professional and respectful throughout the conversation. Do be clear about what you want and why you deserve it. However, don't make demands or ultimatums unless you're prepared to follow through. Don't compare your salary or situation with your colleagues. Keep the focus on your value and contributions. And most importantly, don't get emotional. Stay calm and composed, even if the conversation doesn't immediately go your way. Remember, salary negotiation is a professional discussion, not a personal confrontation. Handling counteroffers. If you receive a counteroffer, take it as a positive sign. It means there's room for negotiation. Evaluate the counteroffer objectively. Does it meet your expectations or come close? If it's lower than you expected, don't be afraid to ask for clarification or to restate your original request, backing it up with your prepared points. Sometimes, negotiation is a process of back and forth. Be prepared to compromise, but also know your bottom line. It's okay to take time to consider the counteroffer. Just communicate this to your employer. Negotiating is about finding a balance where both parties feel valued and satisfied. The role of non-monetary benefits. Sometimes it's not just about the money. Non-monetary benefits can also significantly enhance your overall compensation package. If there's limited room for a salary increase, consider negotiating for benefits like flexible working hours, additional vacation time, professional development opportunities, or a better job title. These benefits can improve your work-life balance and job satisfaction. Express your openness to such alternatives during the negotiation. It shows that you're reasonable and understand the bigger picture of compensation. Sometimes these perks can be just as valuable as a direct increase in your salary. Practice makes perfect. Like any skill, negotiating improves with practice. Before the actual meeting, rehearse your pitch. You could practice in front of a mirror, with a friend, or even record yourself to see how you sound. Pay attention to not just what you say, but how you say it. Your body language, tone, and delivery all play a role in how your message is received. Practicing helps you refine your points, smooth out your delivery, and boost your confidence. Remember, the more prepared and practiced you are, the more natural and convincing you'll come across in the actual negotiation. Dealing with rejection. Not every negotiation will end in success, and that's okay. If your request for a higher salary is declined, don't take it personally. Ask for feedback and the reasons behind the decision. This can provide valuable insights for future negotiations. Inquire about what you can do to be considered for a raise in the future, and if there's a possibility to revisit the conversation at a later date. Keep the door open for future discussions and maintain a positive relationship with your employer. Rejection is not the end. It's an opportunity to learn and grow. Future negotiations. Salary negotiation is an ongoing process throughout your career. Each experience is a learning opportunity for the next. Keep track of your accomplishments, continue to build your skills, and stay informed about industry salary trends. Regularly reassess your compensation and be prepared to negotiate as your role and responsibilities evolve. Remember, the more you practice and engage in these discussions, the more skilled and confident you become. Negotiation is not just about the here and now, it's a key aspect of your long-term career growth. Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering the art of salary negotiation. Remember, negotiating your salary is about recognizing and articulating your worth. It's a skill that benefits you throughout your career. So, go forth with confidence, armed with these tactics, and negotiate the pay you deserve. Don't forget, every negotiation is a learning experience. Keep growing and adapting your skills. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and if you found these tips helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Money Magnified for more empowering career advice. Here's to your success.